Bigquery is a serverless data warehouse offered by Google Cloud Platform for fast SQL-based data analysis. Here's how to use Bigquery in GCP. Access Bigquery. Log into your Google Cloud Console. From the navigation menu, go to Bigquery under the Big Data section. Create a project. Select an existing project or create a new one in the console. In Bigquery, data is organized into datasets. Each dataset contains tables that store your data. Load data. You can load data from multiple sources. Upload a local file. Import from Google Cloud Storage. Access public datasets. Use the Create Table button. Choose your data source and define the schema. Query data. In the Bigquery interface, click Compose New Query to start querying your data using SQL. Example query. Click Run to execute the query and view the results. Analyze results and export. After running the query, you can export results to Google Sheets, Google Cloud Storage, or download them.